Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn Chapter 7, The Food We Eat. Air, water and food are essential for our life. Nature gives us air and water, but food we have to produce ourselves. With the help of nature, what we produce, what we eat depends upon the soil and climate. Every plant cannot be grown everywhere. Different plants need different temperature and different types of soil. Their water requirement is also different. India is a vast country. It has different types of soil and climates. The amount of rainfall is also different. The result is that there is variety of food items in our country. Milk and milk products are also part of our diet. Food crops of India. Farmers in India grow a variety of food grains such as rice, wheat, maize, jowar, ragi, and bajra. These forms a major part of our food and are important and healthy for us. The two most important staple food in India are rice and wheat. Rice. Rice is grown in hot and humid climate. It needs more water and high temperature. It is grown almost in everywhere in India, but mainly in eastern and southern parts of India. Therefore, rice is actually eaten in West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. These areas along the sea coast. The main food of the people of these states is rice with fish. The main item made of rice are dosa, idli, and vada. Wheat. Wheat is a winter crop. It needs less water. People of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Gujarat, and Rajasthan grow wheat. The main item prepared with wheat flour are roti, parathas, puris, bread. Punjab is leading in the production of wheat in India. Millets. There are three types of millets grown in India: jowar, bajra, ragi. Let's start with jowar. It is commonly grown in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh. The crop is used as food and feed for livestock. Bajra. It is eaten in Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Haryana. Rajasthan is the largest producer of bajra. It is used in preparing various food items like roti, khichdi, uttapam, etc. Ragi. It is the food of the people of Karnataka, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Jharkhand, and Arunachal Pradesh. Ragi is a very rich source of minerals and one of the most nutritious crop. Ragi halwa, pakoda, dosa, etc. are some of the dish prepared with ragi flour. Maize. Maize, also known as corn, is the third most important food crops. After rice and wheat, it is grown in Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and Andhra Pradesh. Pulses, oilseed, and spices. A wide variety of pulses is grown all over India. Pulses are a major source of protein in vegetarian diet. Oilseeds are seeds from which oil can be obtained. Since we eat different varieties of food, the oil used also differs in cooking them. Indian spices are popular all over the world. Many kinds of spices are grown and used in India. They make our food tasty and colorful. Majority of these spices are grown in the southern state of India. As you can see in this picture, you can see coriander, cumin, fenugreek seeds, spices, black pepper, turmeric, chili, cloves. All these are called spices. If you see above picture, you can see groundnut, soya bean, coconut, mustard. All these seeds are oil seed. We get oil from these things. And in your left hand side, you can see different types of pulses, or in Hindi we can say dal. There are a green gram, pigeon pea, light peckled kidney beans, black gram, etc. Fruits and vegetables. Wide variety of vegetables and fruits are grown in India. We eat different fruits and vegetables in different seasons. Some fruits and vegetables are seasonal. Vegetables like cauliflower and peas are available only in winters, whereas lady's finger and pumpkin, etc., are available in summers. Fruits like mangoes also available only in summers. Nowadays, however, many vegetables and fruits are available throughout the year. Different states and cities of India are famous for different fruits. Kashmir is famous for apple, Nagpur in Maharashtra for oranges, Goa and Kerala for coconut. Children, do you know tomato and cucumber also fall in the category of fruits? Let's start with special dishes of India. We all love dishes. Let's see it. Indian dishes are famous all over the world because of its variety of flavor. Indian food is very diverse. North India offers makai ki roti and sarson ka saag among many other delicious food items. Sambar, idli, vada, upama are the South Indian specialities. The favorite from the West are dhokla, pav bhaji, dal bhati, churma, puran poli. The Eastern India has fish curry with rice and momos, etc. to offer to satisfy our taste buds. Though these dishes are speciality of particular states, they can be found all over India. There are many sweet dishes also which are famous across the world, such as Rasgulla, Laddu, Gulab Jamun, Barfi, etc. Let's see how these foods are transported to us. Transportation of food. Different food items are grown in different parts of India, but these are available all over the country. A good system of transportation makes this possible. Food items are transported all over the country by truck, train, ships, and aeroplane. So, whenever we may be living, we get to eat all types of grains, fruits, and vegetables. That's all for today. Have a good day. Have a nice day.